Hi everyone, welcome to today's English learning episode. Today we'll follow Ethan, a young professional, as he navigates his busy morning. Along the way, we'll learn useful vocabulary and practice speaking sentences you can use in your daily life. Ethan wakes up at 7 a.m. to the sound of his alarm clock. He stretches, yawns, and heads to the kitchen to make his favorite coffee. After a quick shower, Ethan gets dressed in a crisp white shirt and black pants. Today, he has a meeting at work and lunch plan with friends. He grabs his laptop bag, checks his phone for messages, and leaves his apartment. On the way to work, Ethan stops at a cafe to grab a croissant. The barista smiles and says, "Good morning, what can I get for you?" Ethan replies, "1 croissant please." After paying, he thanks the barista and continues to the office. At work, Ethan's meeting starts at 9 a.m. sharp. He discusses a project with his team and takes notes. After the meeting, he sends a quick email to his manager at 12:30 p.m. Ethan meets his friends at a nearby restaurant. They talk about their weekend plans while enjoying their lunch. By 2 p.m., Ethan is back to the office, feeling energized and ready to tackle the rest of the day. Vocabulary section. Let's look at some useful vocabulary from Ethan's story. Alarm clock, the device that wakes you up in the morning. Example: I set my alarm clock for 6:30 a.m. Crisp, fresh, and neat, often used to describe clothes or food. Example: he wore a crisp white shirt. Barista, a person who makes and serves coffee. Example: the barista at the cafe is very friendly. Sharp, exactly on time. Example: meeting starts at 9 a.m. sharp. Energized, feeling full of energy. Example: after lunch, Ethan felt energized and ready to work. Repeat these words after me to practice. Now, let's practice speaking. I'll say a sentence and you repeat after me. Ready? Good morning. What can I get for you? 1 croissant, please. The meeting starts at 9 a.m. sharp. I feel energized after lunch. I set my alarm clock for 7 a.m. Repeat these sentences a few times and try to use them in your daily life. That's it for today's episode. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using the new vocabulary and phrases in your conversations. Next time, we'll join Ethan on another adventure, maybe at the grocery store or planning a weekend trip. What do you think? Let me know in comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you soon.